But let me show you some other things. We have to set the environment variable also. So we have to actually go for the environment and click here environment variable and go path under system variables, click here edit, and here you can see there is no PHP, right? So we have to connect PHP here. So what I have to do, we have to actually go to the installation drive, in this case C drive. So let's go to the C drive, and here you can see we have this jam folder. Just double click on it. To set environment variable, we have to go to the PHP option here you can see, and we have to just copy this and go to the environment variable. So type here env and you will find this option. Click here. Now click here environment variables and go to the path under system variable, click here edit, go click here new and edit. Just paste it here. So guys, here you can see we have it, and now if I press OK, and now if I open CMD, open it and say here php -v, and here you can see we got the PHP version.